Distribution. What is it? What does it really mean? Well, I'm at the World Police Summit, and I'm fortunate enough to have the opportunity to speak with Saeed. Saeed manages MVP, who have a major footprint here, and I think for a specific reason. Saeed, I'd like to understand what it is that you're doing at MVP that's different.
So from the inception of the company, when we started it, the focus really was about engineering. It was about engineering driven. It's about being able to build systems in country. It's about being able to create an ecosystem, not only around products, but actually solutions. You know, when you mentioned distribution really is about moving boxes. We came to the market with a different perspective. It was a tough perspective because we invested 80% of our resources, even till today, on engineering and really finding people that have capabilities across the spectrum, be it in electronics, be it in electrical, networking, software, and so on. And over the years, we've grown that presence, and we've been able to take on more and more complex works. So for us, if MVP is recognized for anything, it really is recognized for its quality and its ability to never shy away from very complex projects, but also simplify it so that the users can leverage technology. Technology is as good as what you get out of it. You can sell the world, but at the end of the day, you want people to actually use the technology, and that's really what we focus on, the end users and the operational needs that they have. They often approach us with problems, and we try and find solutions rather than just place products inside their inside their infrastructure.
So it's the road less traveled, really, from a distribution perspective. But I note from some of the key brands that you are displaying here to the policing community that it feels to me like you truly do understand integration.
We like to think as individual products as part of a puzzle. So they essentially connect the dots to a solution. Some of the products that we have on the stand are sort of global leaders, and that's really been the motto from the beginning. We really pick out global leaders, best of class. You know, people talk about best of breed, but you know, best of breed really is about proven technologies that have been deployed in the field. So, but beyond that as well, it's about being able to bring those technologies into single platforms where you're not only looking at it from a product, but from a user perspective. So the user may want to be able to achieve one thing, two things, three things, and you'll find that one specific product might not be able to provide all of that, yet they want to be able to see everything from one single interface. And that's where we excel at. We've been doing command and controls, we've been doing integration, true integration on the application layer now for well over 10, 12 years. Well ahead, I believe, of our competitors who initially were really focused on the hardware. Hardware is really as good as the software that runs it. And we've evolved over time to really be also a very strong player in the software arena, not only in the physical hardware. Devices are important in the field, but it's really the brain behind them and the capacity that comes with it.
Saeed, thank you. It's good to understand the ethos, really, of what you're delivering, because it's clearly leaving its mark here. You're very well recognised across the policing community here, and I thank you for taking time to speak with us at Security on Screen.
Thank you for your time as well. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.